Okay, have you ever wondered how do people get to share their social media handles whereby someone can tweet using a certain Twitter handle or something like a group Twitter handle? Have you ever wondered how do people do so without sharing their passwords? Right, okay, so I'm here to show you how do you go about on this video. Hello everyone and warm welcome to Simple How To's. My name is Makumisha Maxi. Right, so today I want to show you how do you go about sharing a Twitter handle with someone else or with many other people without sharing your password with them. Alright, I have an example of this Twitter handle. I don't know who it belongs to. This one called Twitter FM or with the username it's Twitter FM, that is Twitter FM Zimbabwe. Right, if you happen to see there are so many people who happen to tweet using this Twitter, this is Twitter FM handle. Okay, so the best way you can do it is by logging into tweetdeck.com. okay, right, after logging into tweetdeck.com you come here where it says accounts. Okay, here where it says accounts to your bottom left, you go where it says manage team. Okay, right, where it says manage team here, the people you're gonna add here are the team members. Okay, the people who will be able to use the Twitter handle without you sharing the password with them. Right, as you see, invite colleagues to use Twitter as this handle without sharing the Twitter password with them. So you're gonna click manage team, gonna type the username or the name of the user that you want to use your handle. Let's say I want to assign someone by the name Innocent Kotosa. Right, it's my best friend. So if I want to allow him to use my handle, then I'm gonna click authorize and it's done. Simply how do you go about it? Okay, if you have any questions concerning any other how-tos on either Twitter or Facebook or anything that you want to know, please feel free to comment on the sections below and I'll please do assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share this tweet, please like this video, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss any other opportunities. Thank you.